Hey guys, Busy Mommy here, and we invite you to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. But today, we are going to talk about Girl Scouts, right? So, Girl Scouts, woohoo! So, Sophia is a daisy. So, one of the things we're going to talk about today is the cookies. So, we're going to actually try them all. I have never tried all the cookies. Now, I do know that some of the cookies have changed over the past few years from when I was a Girl Scout to now.
Some are sour.
Some are sour, yes. The lemon cookies are sour. So when I was a Girl Scout, we had a cookie that was like the Savannah Smiles, but it was like a sandwich cookie, and it was like a lemon cookie. So it was very different. But there are actually 16 different types of Girl Scout cookies. Some are duplicated, as in like Thin Mints is there twice, because depending on the bakery that the council chooses, yeah, you get different types of cookies. So there are two bakeries. There's ABC Bakeries, and that's in Richmond, Virginia. And then there's Little Brownie Bakers, and that's in Louisville, Kentucky. So your council chooses which cookie bakery you go with. And this is where you end up with the different types of cookies, which is why you can buy some cookies from some troops and some from another. So we'll give you a little bit of a, we should start trying, what should we try first? What do you think? So tag-alongs. These are the peanut butter patties for the ABC bakery, but for our bakery, Little Brownie Bakery, these are known as tag-alongs. And it is a crispy cookie layered with peanut butter and covered with a chocolatey coating. This is actually the #3 bestseller for Girl Scout cookies. So, I don't know, let's see.
Oh no.
It's actually pretty good. It for sure, it tastes like if you, I'm not gonna eat all of them. It tastes like if you mix like a Reese's peanut butter cup and a Twix.
Yeah.
Kind of, because it has like a crisp cookie. And if I actually take it apart a little bit, you can see there's just peanut butter in the very top. So it's not like a lot of peanut butter. It's actually pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, I like the crispy aspect of it. I think, you know, maybe if it was just the crispy and it kind of tastes like shortbread. Anyway, good. Time to have a sip of coffee.
Yeah. Every time that we
coffee break. All right, what's next?
Every time that we we're going in order.
Oh, we're gonna go in order. So we're gonna take a moment to mourn the fact that this is the last year that Savannah Smiles will be selling. So these are my favorite cookie, and they will no longer sell these anymore. This is the last year. They're gone. They will likely replace it with something else, maybe a lemon sandwich cookie like we used to have, or like the other bakery has. They have a lemon sandwich cookie called Lemonades, which is the counter to this. Essentially, this cookie is kind of like a biscotti covered in powdered sugar and flavored with like lemon. So I love this cookie. It's my favorite.
No. That is way too sour.
Not even sour. Why do people hate it so much? It makes you smile.
I kind of like it.
See? What do you think?
Yes.
I got you.
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah, but
Yes. They like it. So, Girl Scouts, please bring it back. These were the least selling cookies. That's why they're going away. But I'm gonna miss them so much. So hey, Little Brownie Bakers, if you guys have extra and want to send them over to us, we'll take them.
Shout out.
I love you, Savannah Smiles. All right, so I want to put these as #2 because I know what my #1 is. I already know. Next up, the best-selling Girl Scout cookie of all time. The one in which people freeze the sleeves and literally live and die by Thin Mints. Every time I sold Girl Scout cookies, or Sophia says she's selling Girl Scout cookies, everybody's like, do you have Thin Mints? Are you out of Thin Mints? It's kind of like an addiction. People are like, can I get a case? Do you have Thin Mints? I need Thin Mints.
It smells good.
So, okay, let's try. Okay, so you can hear it's crispy, crunchy.
It's very crunchy, but no.
So I'm gonna get, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat it because
No.
Thin Mint. I'm gonna grab the ones out of the freezer because people say that they're better frozen. So you ready to try it frozen?
I want to try that frozen.
It's frozen. Just try it frozen. Here. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
It is better frozen. Mind blown. I wonder if any of the other cookies are better frozen. Savannah Smiles. Maybe I just saved Savannah Smiles. What if you freeze Savannah Smiles and they're like cold and like lemony and like so yummy? Okay, this is better frozen. So this is better frozen. So Thin Mints, Phillips family approved, if frozen. Well,
Okay.
where are we gonna put Thin Mints?
I don't know.
I don't know that I would put them up high for me. They're not my favorite. Go there for now. Next up, I never tried this.
Me either.
Toffee-tastic. These are huge.
No.
Oh man, we're gonna split this one. We're gonna split it. We're gonna split it because it's huge.
Why is that so?
So it's a crumbly cookie. Has pieces of toffee in it.
What is toffee?
Rich, buttery cookies with sweet, crunchy toffee bits. Which is like, you know. This is the only gluten-free
Interesting.
cookie that Girl Scouts have. Well, there's another gluten-free. It's like a chocolate chip caramel, but we don't have that one in our troop, so I haven't tried that one. But
It tastes interesting.
But it's a gluten-free. Is that what people say when they eat something that's gluten-free? It tastes interesting. It's right up there, I feel like, when people say, like, it tastes healthy.
It actually tastes interesting.
Okay, so kind of like a shortbread that was left in the oven a little too long. And then the chewy bits of toffee. So it's pretty good. It's not bad. But, you know, I think it's good.
Now it's time for the one that I think
This-
Mommy will put in the fun.
So it's really funny because I watched the Try Guys do this a while back on the cookies. And one of the things he said, Eugene said that was so true, was like, this is the cookies I envision all grandparents have in that tin. And you all know what that tin is, especially Hispanic families know that cookie tin, sometimes filled with thread or buttons instead of the actual cookies, but it's like grandparent cookies. So we're getting to some serious things over here. I have not tried the s'mores cookies. These are newer.
I want one.
One thing I do want to say about the Little Brownie Bakers is that I know for sure that the Little Brownie Bakers do not use high fructose corn syrup, which could be why we chose them. Our council chooses them. We're gonna try these s'mores. You want some more?
Yeah.
She's supposed to say s'more what, but she doesn't get it. So this cookie has, it says Girl Scout s'mores on it. So this one actually kind of looks like a s'more, like, and it smells like vanilla. I don't know. It doesn't really smell like graham cracker. So I got yelled at by my little one because I didn't buy s'mores this year from her, and she's like, "You didn't buy s'mores, Mommy?" I'm like, I didn't think you'd like it. I don't know. And apparently she does. She really likes the s'more cookies. I don't know if I want to bite it, but I will.
Buy it. I like it.
Yum. You like this one?
Me too.
I don't know how to explain it. It's like, I don't taste the graham cracker that much. Do you know why they like it a lot? Because it is literally like sugar. It is just straight up sugar. These are very sweet. Not my favorite. So, not my favorite. Ooh, we're getting to my favorite cookies. Cookies.
My favorite cookie.
It's your favorite cookie too?
There's no eating time.
Guys, Samoas.
My favorite cookie.
Samoas. Or they are the #2 selling Girl Scout cookie because what? It is caramel, it is chewy, it is cookie, it is chocolate, it is coconut, it is
Everything.
everything. It is everything. So,
I don't want it.
you gotta try it, you gotta try it, you gotta try it. I tried the s'mores cookie. which is terrible.
I took a bite. I took a bite.
No, you didn't. All right, ready? Lily's already eaten the whole thing. She likes it.
No.
We gotta try it.
I did.
Oh. It's chewy caramel. It's so good.
I don't like it.
She takes after her dad. He doesn't like coconut. But this,
I don't blame you.
the Puerto Rican side of me,
love coconut.
loves the heck out of these. Oh my gosh. It's chewy. Definitely the chewiest of the cookies. It's definitely the chewiest of the cookies. I like the chocolate. I would actually even want more coconut, but I'm the one that like would take the almond joys from my siblings and eat them. So Samoas are crisp cookies coated in caramel, sprinkled with toasted coconut, and striped with a dark chocolatey coating.
Why do you always do that to the cookies?
Because this one is so magical, you have to read it that way. Okay, so I used to call these trefoils or trefoils, but it's trefoils, I believe. So I was saying that wrong forever.
Everyone says it different.
Everyone says it different. You know what? Shortbread. This is probably the most underrated Girl Scout cookie, and I'll tell you why. It has the Girl Scout symbol on it. It's the basic cookie. It is literally just a shortbread cookie. It is super buttery, super crispy, so good. Shortbread is my favorite cookie, but this is just traditional shortbread cookie. Seriously, with coffee, this cookie, there's like a little bit of saltiness from the shortbread and the butter. I don't want to try this one, but you tried the Samoa, so
I don't want to try it.
here, we'll split it. And just try a little piece.
I don't like it.
All right.
I don't like it.
Okay. You know, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I actually think Lily likes peanut butter. I actually think this is better than the tag-along. So
It is better than the tag-alongs.
So let's talk about top selling cookies. Top selling Thin Mints #1. Duh.
Of course.
As I said, everybody's favorite. Everybody loves Thin Mints. Dunkin' Donuts has got Girl Scout cookies in the coffee now, so it is like where it's at. Thin Mints #1. Caramel Delights, aka Samoas #2. Peanut Butter Patties tag-alongs #3. These are not my rankings. These are sales rankings. Let's just be perfectly clear. #4, s'mores. And I think if that's like novelty, I feel like people just want the s'mores because it's novelty, because I don't know how that's.
I like it.
And #5, Do-si-dos. So these are the top selling cookies by Troop. So a few things, a few little. Girl Scouts in general have been a great part of my childhood, which is why I was so excited when Sophia was old enough to join, because honestly, it teaches you so many things: sisterhood, friendship, entrepreneurship.
What is that?
Remember when you were out and you were telling to people and you were like, hey guys, buy some cookies.
It was in the morning. It was freezing.
It was very cold and we were outside selling some cookies, but we sold a lot of boxes. So yeah, who doesn't like Girl Scout cookies? They're so cute, little Girl Scouts. But it also teaches them a lot of values. So they learn a lot of lessons. In the daisies, for example, they get a pedal every time they learn a new lesson. It's actually really cool to see. The sales from these cookies help them do these things. It helps them do their camping trips. It helps them do their outings. So when you guys buy cookies, you guys are actually helping teach these little ones a lot of great values that they need. Let's talk about some cool facts. So one thing that blew my mind. So as you guys know, the Girl Scout cookie season is January through April, or as you might not know, unless you're
I do not know that.
Girl Scout leader. I don't know why you would know that. But anyway, it's January through April. Really, it should be like March through the summer, because people are like on their diets in January, but by February, March, they're like, I'll buy 10 boxes. In those 4 months, the Girl Scout cookies brought in more revenue than Oreo cookies last year. Insane. Oreos. Do you want to hear something else? Well, on top of that, they actually outsold Chips Ahoy and Milano cookie combined last year. In 4 months, People love Girl Scout cookies. They do, and they're great, and you're helping kids at the same time. One thing that I came across while doing my research for this that I thought was really cool, and I would like to share with you, it freaked me out because I was so excited. So on the Girl Scouts website, you can actually see recipes of things that you can do with Girl Scout cookies. So not only are Girl Scouts cookies delicious by themselves, right? They're delicious. But we can make things like shortbread, trefoil, toffee, and chocolate bark. What? That sounds amazing. You can do lemon shortbread cheesecake. Guys, why are we getting rid of Savannah Smiles? We can make lemon shortbread cheesecake. Stop it. Stop it right now. So anyway.
Is that the only reason why you want them to stop?
No, I just love them. They're so good. Sophia read you the Girl Scout cookie program. She's gonna tell you that what the 5 skills it helps develop. So it helps you with
goal settings, decision making, money management, people skills, business ethics.
What's your number 1?
So I'm gonna start with this one.
Okay, shortbread, trefoils, number 1.
I'm gonna move over to the s'mores.
S'mores is number 2. That was my last favorite.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then my next one might be the Savannah Smiles.
Why are you getting rid of them?
Thin Mints.
Thin Mints. Frozen, though, right? Frozen.
Samoas.
She really didn't like the peanut butter because she barely ate the Samoa.
Do-si-do. And then tagalongs, and then
Toffee.
Toffee-tastic.
So pretty similar except for the s'mores, which blows my mind. All right, so now it's down to it. Busy Mami's cookie ranking. What could it be? Oh, is it this one? Oh, okay. So first and foremost, shortbread, underrated, so good, super buttery, creamy, love it. Second, Savannah Smiles. I'm so sad because they're going away. This is the last year. Then crispy, crunchity Samoas. Then Thin Mints. Thin Mints are good, frozen. Do-si-dos.
Do-si-do.
Tagalongs. Toffee-tastic, definitely last. S'mores. I did not really like them at all. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us what your favorite cookie was. Are you sad Savannah Smiles are leaving too? Let me know. Take care. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.